To set up a new project, navigate to the Settings menu, Manage Projects, and select Create a New Project. From here, you'll be presented with a step-by-step process to set up your new Sherlayer project. To begin, fill in the name of your project, the project code, and optionally, some additional information. Moving down the page, you will be presented with a number of options. If BIM naming is enabled, files are imported, exported, and displayed using the standard BIM naming convention. For more information, please visit our knowledge base at sherlayer.com. If strict mode is enabled, all naming conventions must be defined in step 4. Ensure all files uploaded are named using these tags. The approval process enables the areas Work in Progress, Shared, Published, and Archived, and specified users can approve the progression of documents between these 4 areas. Within the approval process, contractual revisioning can be enabled. This feature assigns a separate revision number for files in Published and Above. For example, documents in Work in Progress may be P2.1, in Shared P03, and in Published could be C01. This revision will increment every time a document gets moved from Shared to Published. Step 2 allows you to create and manage user groups in your project. From here, you can define user groups based on discipline and grant access to Shared, Published, and Archived for each of these groups and set alerts. Choose the document roles which each group should receive alerts for, and these will be sent internally and via email each time a document is uploaded, revised, or promoted with this role type, meaning the right people get the right information at the right time. All users can be batch imported directly into your defined groups. To do so, download the Excel template present in step 2 and add the appropriate user information. Don't worry if these users aren't on Sherlayer yet. They will be invited and added to the project as pending until they accept the invitation. Upload-only users can be added in step 2. These users can upload files but cannot access the file vault, tasks, communications, or alerts. You can define the folders these users have access to in step 3. For more information on adding users, please see our How to Add Users guide. Step 3 allows you to define your folder structure. From here, you can add folders, delete folders, and set viewing and updating user permissions based on the user groups configured in step 2. To set permissions for all folders, simply make changes to the parent folder and select Apply to Children. If you have not selected BIM naming or approval process in step 1, you will then be able to create your project. If BIM naming is enabled, you will then be directed to step 4. Step 4 allows you to manage BIM tags within your project. From here, you can set your volumes, levels, and originators. All other naming conventions are automatically provided by Sherlayer. If the approval process is enabled, you will then be directed to step 5. Step 5 allows you to configure your approval process. From here, you can define which users can review documents passing between each area. You can also set up multi-stage reviews by simply clicking Add another stage. If certain documents within your project use title blocks, they will need to be amended before being promoted from Shared to Published. Select these document types in the title block change section of step 5. If things change, don't worry. You can change project settings at any point during the lifetime of your project. Once you've completed each available step, select Create this project and you now have a new project on Sherlayer.